Snapchat. 2.
What's the most
Someone sent me a sentence and said, please tell me you're not doing a car video. If you see this, I'm sorry. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Q&A with my 2 best friends, Leah.
Hi guys.
And Daniela.
Hey!
So jumping right into the video, our first question is, what was the last trip you've been on? For me, the last trip I went on was probably in like 2022 when I went up to Illinois to visit my great-grandparents.
This summer I went to Missouri.
Freaking.
I think it was in 5th grade. I went to Galveston in Houston. Well, they're both the same thing, but I stayed at both the same spots. So.
Okay, our next question is, I love this question, whoever sent this, I love you. Do you think you'll ever start a YouTube channel like Sam and Colby? So my goal is, for right now, since I'm kind of younger, is to just do videos like this, but when I get older and I get my driver's license, you best bet I'm going to every abandoned building in our area.
Yes, I believe we could make it. As long as we believe. Go. Keep laughing.
Yeah, I'll go with you.
Yeah, I'll go with you.
Okay. Next question is Miss Sinclair an op?
No!
Can you shut up? Let me speak. No, Miss Sinclair, she could be an op some days when she gives me a kindness warning, which is the most stupidest thing.
I've never got a kindness.
Can you shut up? No one cares.
How did you even say that?
I'm just playing. Anyways, no, after all, I do love her. She gives us a monthly party.
I heard a knock, actually.
Stop!
Shut up.
Okay, Miss Sinclair is not an op because I love her so much. She let me borrow her Maze Runner book. She's also a super cool teacher, has great style. She uses slang, and it's like 50-50 because like sometimes it's like hush. But then sometimes it's like, okay, like she fits it in sometimes.
And then Gia said, y'all are so pretty, which
Love you, Gia! Our next question is, do you think you'll ever meet Sam and Colby?
Yes.
I really want to. However, I think by the time I'm like 18, they might be a little old. I'm just saying, they're 27 now. Imagine how old they're gonna
They're
be.
like 30. They're gonna be like 30 something.
The next one is from my awesome friend. Are you a top 10 Sigma? Yes.
No, not true. I'm just
Okay, we're gonna run our fade after this video is over.
The clip will be at the end.
Our next question is, what made you want to do YouTube? What made me want to do YouTube is I've always thought, why do a job where you just hate being there? You just want to go home every day. I feel like if I grow up to be a successful YouTuber and I get the money I need, I will probably be the happiest person on earth. The next question is, what are your favorite shows to watch? P.S. Love you. This is from Josie. I love you, Josie, too. My favorite show right now is Teen Wolf. Obviously, if you know anything about me, you know I literally love Teen Wolf. I also love Dylan Bryan. Okay, what about y'all?
Mine is All American Homecoming. I just love the plot twists, and right now they left me off on a bad ending. Go.
my favorite show right now is
Speak.
wait, I don't know. I have a lot of shows. Fuller House,
Yeah.
The Rookie, the Abbott Elementary,
Oh, I love that.
and yeah, that's it.
Next question is from my beloved cousin Hannah. She said, if any celebrity came up to you and said that they loved you, what celebrity would you want it to be?
Michael B. Jordan.
You want me to throw this pin at your face?
It's my mom's pen.
Okay, if it's your mom's or your grandma's or your dad's. Okay, so you go first.
Well, obviously, Dylan O'Brien.
What the fuck?
You got any, like, other, like, second celebrity crushes?
Okay, wait. I gotta go first, because she freaking took mine. Mine will be Jude Bellingham, whatever you freaking say.
Bellingham?
Yeah.
Belly bin.
He is so fine, bro.
I don't know. I just know the guy from.
At first, it's Michael B. Jordan, but someone, Peter freaking took it.
It's like you aren't one yourself.
I'm not. Not as much as you.
Next question, please.
Alright.
My little baby
This,
Hester.
okay, see, the thing is that Sundit does, like, AI ones, and it's kind of stupid. Do you think he'll stay forever? Does it look like I'm going to be held back anytime soon? No. Like, put where you go. Stop. camera turned off.
Okay.
Someone put your flash.
Oh, there
Okay.
it goes.
Next question. Who is your bestest cousin ever? You'll go first.
My favorite cousin is Bridget, and then my favorite cousin Andrew.
My favorite cousin. I don't know. I have too much cousin. I do know. Probably my cousin Sarahi and my baby cousin Hector.
Okay, my decision is Hannah and Ava. I don't want to hear y'all bickering about, oh, you have to pick one or the other.
We both have to.
I will tell your mom that you're up on YouTube in the middle of the night when you're not supposed to be. Next question. Do you think you'll ever have a crush on someone? Yeah, I do.
We all have crushes.
Oh, wait, who's yours?
No one. I'm just saying, like, we all have a crush. Like, at one point, we do have a crush.
I can't say mine.
Oh, yeah, well, obviously we'll have a crush on someone. This question's kind of stupid.
Yeah.
Okay, next question is, what's one talent you have that no one here knows about? I don't know if y'all know about it, but it's...
I don't have a talent. I play
Sucks to
volleyball.
be you. Oh, that's good. She's really good at volleyball, guys.
Any videos, so.
Shut up! Leah, no one's even freaking talking to you! God.
What is the weirdest thing that's ever happened to you? Okay, so for me, one time I was having a sleepover with my cousins, and I was in the middle of, like, my two cousins. They were on the edge of the bed, I was in the middle, and my cousin had her back face to me. I had, like, my face facing the ceiling, and it was about, like, 3 in the morning, and I had just, like, randomly woke up, and I was, like, changing position, trying to get comfortable, and I accidentally elbowed her back, and she turned, literally wide-eyed, started mumbling something really, like, fast, and said, like, all I heard was something. It was like something, two people, something. And then she, like, turned back around and went to sleep. And I was like, are you being for real or just playing? And she just didn't say anything and was sleeping. What the freak? Do I need to get a priest up in here? Oh my gosh, she was really scary, guys.
So there was this one time I was changing my baby, my little cousin Hector's diaper, and he peed on me.
Baby Andrew threw up on me like 5 times.
Baby Andrew.
That was as bad as freaking peeing on you, bro.
Did you want it out of your mouth?
No. Like,
Did
oh,
throw up go inside of your mouth?
no.
Then what the freak was the point of asking that question?
Well, that's a short video if you ask me. And you have this half of it was us horsing around that we can't post.
You two can.
No, we two can't.
Chat. 2.
What's the most
Someone sent me a sentence and said, please tell me you're not doing a car video. If you see this, I'm sorry. If you see this, I'm sorry. I am. Please tell me you're not doing a car video. Us sitting in the car.
What's the most memorable thing that happens to you? When my cousin gave birth to baby Andrew. Sorry, guys.
Oh, when my cousin was trying to, like, do a cool thing, like gliding down the stair rail and fell down it.
When I get that memorable feeling when I'm riding roller coasters.
My question is, I guess this is for Mia. I'm gonna make sure. I think Leah sent this. Other Leah. And she said, "What's your favorite thing about Thomas from the Maze Runner?" Literally everything. I love his sassiness. I love his hair. I love his outfits. I love his style.
The video is
I love.
You look gay.
He does
seen
look
it.
gay.
Who?
What?
You're saying
No, that's what you said.
we are really gonna run our fade after this video, dude.
The clip will be at the end.
What's your favorite Pierce the Veil song? My favorite Pierce the Veil song, there's a lot. I like Dive In.
Me too.
Death of an
Who's Pierce?
Executioner.
Who's the Pierce?
It's a band that I like.
I'm joking. I don't
Dive
know what
In, Death of an Executioner, Floral and Fading. That's about it, guys.
Wait, guys, I got a good question. What's y'all's favorite holiday?
I say Thanksgiving because of the food.
that is. Yeah, same.
I'll say Christmas because the vibe. Like, I just
Yeah,
want
I also
everyone's
like
vibe.
the Christmas spirit. Like, I don't care about presents or nothing. I mean, obviously, I cherish family time, but like the feeling when you know Christmas the feeling when knee surgery is tomorrow. Anyways, but the feeling like when it's like during the holiday seasons and you can like feel everyone's joy, you're hearing the Christmas music, all that stuff.
Exactly.
Like, also the day we're putting up Christmas decorations, that's the most cheerful day.
I put it up yesterday. Did I tell you that?
We can't because we have stuff in the way of our Christmas tree, so we have to. I'm gonna get them on it.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Science rules.
Next question. Who's your favorite person to hang out with? For me, it's either these two or Gabby.
These two these two people and what's her name?
Melanie?
Yeah. Who else? And Layla.
These two people and Emery. And Miss Collier.
Okay, next question. What is your favorite class period? For me, my favorite class period is probably either 6th period or 8th period. Because 6th period I have theater and I love theater so much. And then 8th period I have tennis and Coach Core's really funny, so.
My favorite period is 3rd period and 3rd period, 5th period, and 7th period.
My favorite period is 3rd period, 2nd period. Sometimes 5th, depends on what we're doing in that math class. And 6th period. Next question. Have you ever had a weird dream?
That my mom replaced me and I started crying. And I started crying in real life. And it was the time when I was sleeping with my mom. And I was crying. She woke me up saying why I was like crying. And I told her my dream and she started laughing at me.
Oh, my dream was one time I had a dream where my aunt was over and she was supposed to pick me up, and I walked in the kitchen and my mom and my aunt were talking about the spirit that used to live in our house in the dream. Like, we've never had a spirit in our house. And all of a sudden I was like, I'm so glad that spirit is gone. And then my Alexa dinged and was like, I'm not dead, I'm right here. So-and-so, like first and last name, died, whatever. It was like 1970 something. And then it would say like a room, like bathroom, or it was like bedroom, because like that was the place that they died. And then I woke up and I was terrified, so that was really risky.
What's your favorite type of sport?
Where's my phone?
It's right here. I think your mom's... Sorry. Wait, that's actually scary. Wait, actually...
Stop.
No, actually, this isn't funny.
Hey, stop.
No, because actually it was that. This is not even...
Wait, hold on. Hold my dots. I'm gonna look under the seats and stuff, see if there was a phone anywhere. That's actually, stop. That's not even funny.
That's not funny, Leah. I was in the middle of my question.
That's not funny.
I just heard hello.
Are you serious?
What's this? I think it was his truck.
Wait, did we ask him if his truck was like ringing?
Yeah.
No, I just heard something again. Stop.
Check
your car door.
It was too close. Like,
Check. I know
like it was coming that way, not
I know,
this way.
exactly. Here, take the flashlight and look around, see if you see anything.
I hear dogs.
No, because actually, what was that?
How about everyone get out of the car and look around? Because I'm not playing with y'all. That's scary.
I don't feel like looking.
I don't care. Get out of the car. I'm not being scared alone.
Yes, ma'am.
Look under the seats.
There's nothing. There's nothing.
There's nothing.
I think it was his truck. Hey, was that your phone ringing?
Bro, he can't hear you. I don't think it was.
Oh, God, I don't think that
He's
was.
outside either.
He is. He's in his truck.
It sounded like it was from there.
But yeah, next question. What's your favorite type of sport? My favorite type of sport is soccer and track, really, because soccer I just love. Like, I don't know.
My favorite sport is volleyball.
My favorite sport is probably either tennis. Well, it is tennis. But then, because tennis is kind of easy.
Found it.
But also, football can be interesting. Like, I saw this video of this guy. Thank you. Of this guy, like, back flipping or front flipping over this dude just to get a touchdown. It was kind of funny.
Do you have a favorite type of video game?
Roblox.
Roblox. I like the scary games of Roblox because they're interesting.
Mine is Fortnite right now because the OG map is back and
Oh, are you serious?
And Block Blast.
oh, that too. I freaking
I hate Block Blast because I lose every game.
but Fortnite, 100%.
Next question is, why did you start doing YouTube and who are your biggest inspirations? So like I said, I started doing YouTube because I want to have a job that I actually enjoy doing and like I want to keep pursuing for the rest of my life. And my biggest inspirations right now are Sam and Colby because I want to be not ghost hunter, but like I want to explore abandoned buildings when I'm older. I think, yeah, really Sam and Colby, Corey Kenshin too. I love his videos.
And Jake Weber and Tara Yummy.
Yes, Jake Weber, Johnny Gilbert, and Tar Yummy. Love them all too.
I'm so sorry, Johnny.
You're acting like he's gonna see this video.
I'm sorry. Someone's gonna edit this, be like, Johnny's forgotten again. Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, I'm out too.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like because at 10 likes, I will post a new one.
Your kids already made it. Shut the frick.
Oh, there's a car. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did. Peace.
I did.
Love. Bye.